Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bread yummy tummy arthai easy guide. Begin by preheating the oven to 375 degrees F and assembling measured flour, yeast, salt, water, and any butter or sugar. Combine ingredients gently, knead until smooth, and rest the dough until doubled in size. This creates a tender crumb and improved flavor. I will walk you through timing, texture checks, and simple flavor boosts for easy, delicious bread. Keep your tone relaxed while kneading for 8 to 10 minutes until the dough feels elastic and springs back slightly. Cover the bowl and let the dough rise in a warm, draft-free spot until doubled in size, usually 60 to 90 minutes depending on yeast activity. Gently deflate and shape the loaf, resting briefly between folds to build structure and flavor without overworking the dough. Quick recommendation: if you want to store slices for easy lunches, try the leak-proof containers I mentioned for neat, spill-free storage and meal prep convenience. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel, and consider those containers for fresh sandwiches or leftover loaves. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. For easy flavor boosts, fold in a tablespoon of olive oil or butter and add herbs or grated cheese for savory depth. Try a light egg wash on the loaf top to promote a golden, attractive crust. Small additions like roasted garlic or a sprinkle of seeds elevate aroma and texture without complicating the process. I'll show timing and proportion tips to keep your bread consistently tasty and satisfying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.